All right, everybody. This is going to be a quick and simple review of this bad boy right here. This is the Plugable. What is the model number for this? UD3900 PDZ. All right. Now I did get this renewed from the Amazon store. My thoughts on it, it works flawlessly so far, other than the fact, and I'm not gonna blame this, but my laptop, I have a Lenovo Flex 14 something, I don't know. Since I got it renewed, the USB-C cable that was supposed to come with this did not come with it, so I was just forced to use this one that I have just lying around. And I don't know, it definitely can't be the dock. I don't know if it's the cable or if it's just my computer doesn't support USB-C charging, but it does not actually charge my laptop, so I still have to use the dedicated charger. But what this dock was able to do was remove all the stuff I had plugged in. Previously, I used to use this right here. This is a dual HDMI adapter, USB, for this dual monitor setup. As well as I had this flash drive plugged directly into the laptop, as well as headphones, speakers, just all different type of stuff. And then it only has 2 USB ports. This works, just doesn't charge. I will be getting a MacBook soon, probably a 14-inch or the Air. So that's really the main reason I got this, just in case I got the Air. But yeah, this is great. If it's available, you guys should definitely give it a buy.
Here is the Plugable that's going to link all my displays, which becomes necessary for multi-purposing. And here you see on the front, I have 2 3.0 USBs plus the headphone jack there. On the back here, and this is why I had to upgrade this over my previous one, is because in the back here I have a lot more jacks, as you can tell. I have the 4 USB ports, the Ethernet. I have 3 HDMI jacks, 1, 2, and 3. And there's your power. And why I needed to upgrade here, just to let you know, is because I got a laptop here. And what I do, I display from my laptop onto the church main screen. And from that, I needed a link. And also, we do a video into the nursery area. And we also, because of COVID, had to go with a live stream as well. So you see the cameras there, the displays. So I needed an upgraded thing that has more ports for me to connect and those things. And this delivers in that. So I'm very pleased with all the options that it has. And it's going to be a good go here for the church.